This video demonstrates the proper setup and use of the overnight sleep recorder to ensure a high-quality recording so that a sleep specialist can accurately evaluate your sleep. When you receive your device, it will come in a bag or box that includes all of the components you'll need to successfully set up your sleep recorder. This includes the device, a Velcro belt, a microphone, a nasal cannula, an oximeter probe, and spiral wrap and Velcro cable ties. If you notice that your device looks a little bit different to the one in the video, or notice any extra cables, don't worry. We have 3 different models of our sleep recorder, and some of them have a few extra steps. In this video, we will show you exactly the steps and parts needed to set up your specific device. Wear sleepwear with long or elbow-length sleeves over which to fit the device. If you have any nail polish, lacquer, or nail extensions, you'll need to remove them from one finger later in the process. So please get whatever you need to remove the material now. We'll tell you which finger you need to clean later in the instructions. Before lending you the device, your clinician will have checked that there are fresh batteries in the sleep recorder. Secure the sleep recorder over the sleepwear around the chest. The normal method is to wear the device upright in portrait orientation. You may find it more comfortable to wear the device sideways. If so, thread the strap through the band on the pouch, which enables this. Fold the straps around the buckle and tighten so you can easily and comfortably breathe. Gently push the end of the strap against the rest of the strap to fasten the Velcro. Open the sealed bag containing the nasal cannula. Slide the collar down, then place the nasal prongs at the nose entrance. Fit the loop over the ears and then back to the front under the chin. Do not pull it over the head. Slide the collar up to your chin to hold the nasal cannula securely to your head. Then screw the nasal cannula onto the sleep recorder. Don't be tempted to over-tighten, a quarter turn will do. Fit the microphone body to the nasal cannula by pressing the microphone to one of the 2 thin tubes of the cannula just below the little plastic sliding collar. Plug the microphone into the sleep recorder. Next, we'll fit the oximeter sensor. Slide the left index finger into the oximeter probe so that it is comfortable. If it feels too tight, use a smaller finger. Be sure to remove any foreign materials from the finger, including nail extensions and nail polish. Once you have removed any foreign material and the sensor is comfortably fitted, secure it with some tape around the cable. Do not put tape around the probe body. Plug the oximeter cable into the top of the device. Pay attention to the direction of the plug. The Massimo text should face outwards. Your clinician may have supplied spiral wrap or Velcro cable ties. These are to wrap around the wires to keep them together. If directed by your clinician, wrap these around the nasal cannula, microphone, and oximeter sensor leads. Your clinician has already set up your device to start recording when you go to bed. The device is programmed to stop recording after a certain number of hours. If you need to go to the toilet in the night, take off the oximeter probe and leave everything else on. When you return, make sure to put the oximeter probe back on. When you wake up, if you didn't sleep as well as you normally do, don't worry. Your device should have captured sufficient information for your clinician to make a diagnosis. Carefully remove the tape and all the sensors. Undo the straps and remove the device. Place all the components back in the container supplied by your clinician. Then return the whole system. We hope this will be your first step towards sleeping well every night. Thank you for watching this video.